Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manage brand assets in CapCut Mobile. So here I've already opened my CapCut Mobile, my CapCut apps on my phone. And if you want to find your brand assets or brand kit, you can just click on the space. So go to your space by clicking on the space button, the blue one. And this is, you can see the brand kit. Let's go back. This one, brand kit, in here, click on that, and in here there are lots of categories. So if you have like your identity of brand, like videos, images, stickers, phones, music, backgrounds, text preset, or others, you can upload to your space and add it to the brand kit. So in the brand kit, you can manage assets and set design standard efficiently, and you can use assets from the brand kit to edit your videos in the timeline quickly. So you can just try the brand kit in here in the free trial period. So if you are on or already on the CapCut Pro, you can easily just use it. But if you are only on the free CapCut version, you can just use it on a trial period. So let's try to add, for example, a brand phones. If you have it, just click on this plus icon and find the file that you want. Okay, just let's try music. Click on the plus and find your music brand. So here I'm going to find audio, for example. Okay, I'm going to add this one. So it will be uploading like that. And if you want to use it on the CapCut editing, you can just find it easily. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.